Thorne Research, Bacillus Coagulans Review. Description: Probiotic. Dietary supplement. GI support. Gluten-free. Suggested use: take 1 capsule 2 to 3 times daily or as recommended by your healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: microcrystalline cellulose, hypromellose, derived from cellulose, capsule, silicon dioxide. Warnings: Tamper Evident, use only if bottle is sealed. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. If pregnant, consult your healthcare practitioner before using this product. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.